Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to create an account of Barclays Bank online. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Barclays Bank. Click on this first website over here. If you scroll down, we can see various accounts. Let's click on View Current Accounts over here. If you scroll down, we can see the details of the Barclays Bank account here. So, let's tap on this. If you scroll down, we can see various account options. Choose the account you would like to get. Now, we need to enter our details here. The account opening process will be in 3 steps. At first, we need to enter all of our details, including our personal details, contact details, and identification details. After this, a review of the information we have entered will be done, and we can also edit our information there. After this, we need to book an appointment to open a bank account. Now, simply click on Continue and tick mark to accept the terms and conditions, and click on Continue. Now, enter all of the details here and click on Continue. After which, our details will be reviewed and edited, and we need to book an appointment. Finally, our bank account will be created. So, this is all we can do to create an online bank account of Barclays Bank. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.